Plant FAQs. Diamond Frost Euphorbia. How to grow Diamond Frost Euphorbia. The Diamond Frost Euphorbia, known for its masses of white flowers and airy mounds of foliage, is a popular and easy-to-grow summer annual or tender perennial. Here's how to cultivate this beauty. Planting. Seeds or transplants. You can grow Diamond Frost Euphorbia from seeds or established transplants. Seeds. Sow seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. Use a well-draining seed-starting mix and keep the soil moist but not soggy. Seedlings should emerge in 1 to 2 weeks. Once they have a few sets of true leaves, transplant them to individual pots or your desired outdoor location after hardening them off, gradually introducing them to outdoor conditions. Transplants. Purchase healthy transplants from your local nursery after the danger of frost has passed, usually late spring or early summer. Location. Sunlight. Diamond Frost Euphorbia thrives in full sun to partial shade. Aim for at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Soil. Well-drained soil is crucial. Use a standard potting mix with added perlite or a sandy loam mix for outdoor planting. Care. Watering. Water regularly, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Fertilizing. Apply a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength once a month during the growing season, spring and summer, to encourage blooming. Deadheading. While not strictly necessary, deadheading spent blooms can promote continued flowering throughout the season. Simply pinch off the faded flowers at the base of the stem. Additional tips. Diamond Frost Euphorbia is a heat and drought-tolerant plant. However, during extended dry periods, additional watering may be beneficial. This plant is a prolific bloomer and requires minimal deadheading to maintain its floral display. You can trim back leggy stems or pinch off flower buds to encourage bushier growth. Diamond Frost Euphorbia works well in containers, hanging baskets, or planted directly in flower beds. In colder climates, zones 5 to 6, it's grown as an annual. You can try overwintering it indoors by bringing it in before the first frost and providing it with bright light and warm temperatures. However, it's easier to start fresh from seeds or transplants each year. How to propagate Euphorbia Diamond Frost. Propagate Euphorbia Diamond Frost through stem cuttings. Take 4 to 6 inch cuttings from healthy, non-flowering stems. Remove the lower leaves and let the cuttings dry for a few hours to callus over. Plant the cuttings in a well-draining mix and water lightly. Keep the cuttings in a warm, bright location with indirect light until they root, which usually takes a few weeks. Is Diamond Frost Euphorbia a perennial? Yes, Diamond Frost Euphorbia is a perennial in USDA hardiness zones 10 to 11, where it can survive mild winters. In cooler climates, it is often grown as an annual or can be brought indoors during the winter. Is Euphorbia Diamond Frost poisonous to dogs? Yes, Euphorbia Diamond Frost is poisonous to dogs. All parts of the plant contain a milky sap that can cause irritation if ingested or if it comes into contact with skin. Keep this plant out of reach of pets and children. Where to buy Diamond Frost Euphorbia? You can buy Diamond Frost Euphorbia at local nurseries, garden centers, and online plant retailers. Websites like the Home Depot, Lowe's, and specialized plant nurseries often carry this variety. Can Euphorbia Diamond Frost grow in alkaline soil? Euphorbia Diamond Frost can tolerate a range of soil pH levels, including slightly alkaline soil. However, it prefers well-draining soil with a pH range of 6.0 to 7.5 for optimal growth. Can Euphorbia Diamond Frost grow in southern Florida? Yes, Euphorbia Diamond Frost can grow in southern Florida, where the climate is warm and humid. It thrives in USDA hardiness zones 10 to 11, making southern Florida an ideal location for this plant. Do deer eat Diamond Frost Euphorbia? No, deer generally avoid Diamond Frost Euphorbia. The milky sap in the plant is a deterrent to deer and other animals, making it a good choice for gardens in areas with high deer populations. How big do Diamond Frost Euphorbia get? Diamond Frost Euphorbia typically grows to about 12 to 18 inches in height and spreads 12 to 18 inches wide. Its compact size makes it suitable for containers, borders, and mixed plantings. How low of temp can Diamond Frost Euphorbia take? Diamond Frost Euphorbia can tolerate temperatures as low as 35 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. However, it is not frost-tolerant and should be protected or brought indoors if temperatures are expected to drop below this range. Is Euphorbia Diamond Frost poisonous? Yes, Euphorbia diamond frost is poisonous. The milky sap can cause skin irritation, and ingestion can lead to gastrointestinal distress. Handle the plant with care, wearing gloves, and keep it away from pets and children. Will diamond frost euphorbia repel gophers? There is no strong evidence that diamond frost euphorbia specifically repels gophers. However, due to its toxic sap, it might be less appealing to gophers and other burrowing animals compared to more palatable plants.